What if I told you there's a plane that flies farther, faster, and more luxuriously than almost anything else in the sky? And no, it's not your typical private jet. It's a beast called the Boeing 777X. This thing is massive, the biggest, most advanced twin-engine aircraft ever built. We're not talking about a small upgrade here. This is a full-on leap into the future of air travel. It's about 252 feet long. Yeah, that's nearly the size of a football field. But the real showstopper? The wings. They're made of carbon fiber composite, and they stretch over 235 feet wide. And get this, the wingtips actually fold. Yup, folding wingtips. That lets it fit into standard airport gates, but once it's in the air, those wings open up and deliver more lift, better range, and serious fuel efficiency. The design is aerodynamic and sleek. It cuts through the air effortlessly. And those wings, they flex during flight, just like a bird, to handle turbulence smoothly. Now let's talk engines. The 777X is powered by the GE9X, the most powerful commercial jet engine ever made. Each one produces more than 100,000 pounds of thrust. But here's the crazy part. Despite all that power, it's quieter and more eco-friendly than older engines. We're talking advanced materials, ceramic parts, even 3D printed components. Boeing didn't hold back. The range? Over 8,700 nautical miles. That's enough to fly nonstop from New York to Hong Kong. No refueling, no layovers, just a smooth ride across the planet. And with a typical seating capacity of over 400 passengers, it blends the size of a jumbo jet with the efficiency of a modern Dreamliner. That's why airlines like Emirates, Lufthansa, and Qatar were first in line. Step inside and it's a whole new world. The cabin feels open and airy, with bigger windows, higher ceilings, and a wider layout. Passengers get better air pressure and humidity, which means less fatigue, even on those 15-hour flights. LED lighting adjusts to the time zone, helping beat jet lag. And yeah, it's super quiet. You'll barely notice takeoff. But if you're flying VIP, that's where things go next level. The 777X can be customized into a flying palace. Full bedrooms, private bathrooms, lounges, conference rooms, even gyms. It's basically a luxury apartment in the sky, and up front in the cockpit, touchscreen controls, next-gen avionics, and enhanced automation. A lot of it borrowed from the 787 Dreamliner. It gives pilots better control, more safety, and a smoother ride overall. So whether it's flying hundreds of passengers across continents or serving as a billionaire's private jet, the Boeing 777X is in a league of its own. It's not just an aircraft, it's a statement. This isn't the future. This is now. The Boeing 777X. For those who don't just fly, they lead.